All right, today, tonight, tomorrow, whenever you look at this video, we're going to show you, we're going to install the primary chain and the drive gear on the crankshaft, and we're going to install the clutch. This time we're going to try something a little different. I put like 6 of these together and they never seem to go together quite the way I'd like them to do. So this time we're going to try to do something a little different. This time I have installed the Kickstarter side into the cases, and I just used the bolt to go with it and a couple 1/4-inch random nuts to hold it in place for assembly. And what we're going to do is your Kickstarter shaft, don't forget, needs to be installed in the case first. And the gear goes towards the opening because it runs on this assembly right here, that gear. So when you put this in here, I have a convenient hole in my lips, so you can just kind of set that like that and kind of drop them in together. And they'll sit like that. Okay. You can't push this in because you can't get the primary chain on. So the next thing you have to do is the primary chain goes on here. There's a Woodruff key in this thing, which I put on before I put the crank together. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it or not very well. It's a Woodruff key right there. It goes in the crankshaft, and there's the slot for it right here. So we'll slide this down over here. You'll lift your clutch up slightly. Lift up slightly. And start your chain. This requires both hands. Once again, don't forget your gear. Don't let it slide inside. Drop it in. And then it'll sit down in there. And you can line this up with the gear, with the Woodruff key in your slot. This you can align it with this key and the key below, pretty much line up with each other. You can start it on there. Push it down on. Just like a tap of a rubber mallet. This one's getting a little stubborn.